Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stew peas with beef. Begin by gathering all ingredients and measuring seasonings so cooking flows without pauses. Trim and cube beef, rinse peas, and chop aromatics before heating the pot. Preheat oil, then brown beef for good flavor. Layer onions, garlic, and herbs, then return beef and add liquid. Simmer gently until peas are tender and sauce is thickened for serving. Measure ingredients and prep everything so you can cook without stopping. Pat beef dry and season generously with salt and pepper to encourage browning. If using dried peas, soak as needed and drain before adding. Chop onions and garlic finely to build flavor quickly, and tie thyme or add bay leaves for depth. Keep beef, peas, and liquids ready near the stove so steps move smoothly during cooking. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video for more kitchen tips. Quick recommendation. After a long stew simmer, jump into a clean-smelling car with a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener for a crisp, invigorating scent that pairs oddly well with hearty cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Heat oil until shimmering and brown beef without crowding the pan to maintain heat. Remove beef, then sauté onions and garlic until translucent, stir in tomato paste to boost richness. Return beef, add soaked peas, stock, and seasoning, and bring to a gentle simmer. Cover partially and cook until beef yields to a fork and peas are soft but intact. Adjust salt and acid at the end for balanced flavor and serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.